All over the internet is now speculating that Spider-Man 3 is going to be a Spider-Verse movie. But how many of you still remember the climax of Spider-Man Far From Home? If not, stay calm, here we are. Hello guys, welcome back to Movie Buff. The post-credit scene of Spider-Man Far From Home revealed the true identity of the web slinger as Peter Parker and left all the audience in a great dilemma of what will happen next and how is it going to affect the upcoming Spider-Man 3 film. So in this video we will let you know all the theories and also what is going to happen in the upcoming Spider-Man 3 movie. And let's get started. Firstly, talking about a theory from the comics Captain America Civil War. Captain America Civil War movie was loosely based on this comic. Spider-Man is on Iron Man's side of the fight in the comics. In comics, it goes like this. Tony pressurizes Peter to set an example by voluntarily unmasking and revealing his real name on live TV. But Peter refuses to do this, and as well it will put Aunt May and Mary Jane at risk, but ultimately agrees to do it because of his loyalty to Tony. Afterwards, however, Peter soon grows uncomfortable with the way Iron Man is handling his side of war, including building a cyborg clone of Thor that kills Goliath in the battle and imprisoning all captured superheroes in the negative zone without trial. Spider-Man switches sides, joining Captain America's team, and when Captain America decides to surrender in order to prevent further destruction and bloodshed, Peter is forced to go on the run with Aunt May and Mary Jane. Unfortunately, Spider-Man revealing his identity proves to be a costly mistake, and not just because J. Jonah Jameson sues him for $5 million, claiming breach of contract. Kingpin puts out a hit on Peter, Mary Jane and Aunt May. In the resulting attack, Aunt May is shot and left with just few days to live. Feeling guilty for everything that happened, Peter wants to bring back his beloved aunt. The story continues in the now infamous story Spider-Man One More Day. Determined to find a way to save Aunt May's life, Peter pays a visit to demon Mephisto. Mephisto offers Peter a bargain. He will save Aunt May's life, but in exchange Peter must give up his marriage to Mary Jane. Peter and MJ's love is so rare and pure that eradicating it from existence will be a major win for Mephisto. Peter and Mary Jane have one more day together to make their decision, which must be unanimous, and ultimately they decide to make the bargain to save Aunt May's life. Mephisto reveals that the life he gave to Aunt May was actually of Peter and MJ's future daughter, who will now never be born. The demon changes the course of history so that Peter and Mary Jane never got married, creating a butterfly effect that changes several important details of the universe. Among them, Spider-Man's secret identity is restored and no one knows his real name, not even the other superheroes. And with all this being said about the comics now, let us know what might happen in MCU Spider-Man 3. The fact that Spider-Man didn't actually unmask on camera gives the movie a lot more leeway when it comes to potentially getting Peter back in the superhero closet. So far, the only thing people have to go on is Mysterio's claim that Peter is Spider-Man. So if Mysterio can be exposed as the real villain, then this claim could be dismissed along with all other lies. Spider-Man could even seal the deal by finding someone elsewhere to wear his costume and be seen in public at the same time as Peter Parker, thereby proving that they are not the same person. Another possibility is that Spider-Man doesn't go back in the closet, and his identity is simply left as public knowledge in the MCU, which would suddenly be a bold choice. In terms of the short-term impact of Spider-Man Far From Home's mid-credit scene, Peter and his loved ones are now exposed to a considerable number of criminals who have been apprehended by Spider-Man and are probably keen for some revenge. Among them is Mark Gargan, aka Scorpion, who was last seen in prison pressurizing Vulture to reveal Spider-Man's real name. He's not exactly an A-list villain, but there is a good chance that Gargan will return in the sequel to Far From Home, looking to exact his revenge. Whatever happens next, things definitely just got very interesting. So that's it for that. We hope you enjoyed it, and now don't forget to subscribe for more Spider-Man updates and movie updates. Check out the links given in the description. Thank you.